I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a step tutorial. This is a step that I always forget about. I always forget it exists until somebody reminds me that it exists. I also call this step by one name and other people call it by a completely different name, and that is totally normal and totally okay. And I don't know if y'all just saw Sayuri run across, but she entered the video. So I call it a Suzy Q. Now, some people call what I call a Broadway a Suzy Q. And terminology gets really, really confusing sometimes. But for the purpose of this video, I am calling this step a Suzy Q. Cool? Cool. So I actually don't use this step that often in choreography. I do know some people that do. It's a very classic step. It's adorable. I love the step. It does not have too many parts to it, which is really, really fun because that means any level can learn it. So the hard part is that it does have a twist or a fouette of the hip, if you will. So we have to make sure that we have this, where we put our foot and the angle that it's at kind of correct in order to make sure that the step happens. All right? So we're doing a Suzy Q, or at least that's what I call it. Disclaimer. All right, so I'm going to start kind of over to the right side of my board because it moves to one direction, kind of like a bombarche. It kind of just moves that direction. So you stamp, and then you cross. So you have 1, 2. I start it with a stamp. You have 1, so you're going to cross, and then as you step out, you twist. So you have these two really, really cute shapes. Crossed over, twist. And then, before you stamp again, you brush. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4. That's it. That's all there is to it. I love this step. 1, 2, 3. You just can do it over and over again. But the 3 main components are that you go 1, 2, and then brush. And then do it again. 3, 4. And that's how I learned it. If that's not how you learned a Suzy Q, that's great. Please tell me. Please tell me what's different for you. But again, tap dance is an orally passed down tradition, so it's an orally passed down art form. So you learn based on what your teacher taught you, which is why there are so many different terms, so many different techniques. So, Suzy Q, starting with the right foot, it's cross, out. So it has this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super cute rhythm. I love it. Let's try it on the other foot. So we're going to start over to the left part of our board. We cross with the left. We step and twist, and then we brush. And then we do it again. Cross, step and twist, brush. And then we would go again, but I don't have any space. So let me make it smaller. We have step, twist, brush, step, twist, brush, step, twist. I love the twist. I think it's my favorite part because it gives it a little bit of visual flavor, you know? So let's try some on the left. Left. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay, I could do 4 in a row. That's awesome. I love this step. It's such a cute step to put in a dance. That's actually a good idea. We should do some front view of this. I looked at the viewfinder and I'm like, oh yeah, they should probably see how the twist looks from the front. So let's do some to the right. I'm going to use my left foot because I'm facing you, but you're going to be on the right foot. Cool? So, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. And that's the Suzy Q. Super simple, super short tutorial, but that's how you do the Suzy Q as I learned it. Again, if you learned it a different way, totally fine. Let me know. I love this step. If you've ever used it in choreography, also let me know. I just think it's so cute, but I never really have a use for it, so I don't use it that often. with more of like the classic Shirley Temple style, I'll use it, but like not with the usual stuff that I do. So anyway, thank you for joining me today. I hope you really enjoyed learning this step. I know it's a super short tutorial, but it's a super short step. So it's just 3 parts: step or stamp, step and twist, brush. So yeah, I had a lot of fun teaching this to you today. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and join the Tap fam. Lots of motorcycles. Sorry, lots of free tap dance content for you, tutorials of all kinds, all here for you. So please subscribe. Also hit that thumbs up button and show YouTube that people love tap dance. But I had a lot of fun with you today. Thank you so much. And as always, thank you for dancing with me.